What's up, guys? Gene Hack is here, your Builderall training support specialist and network marketing slash MLM. How you guys doing tonight? Happy Monday. And today we continue on part 3 on creating our funnel, our simple funnel, right? It's not going to be something crazy. We just want to create, the pages, which is our capture page, confirmation page, and then of course our thank you, welcome, introduction page, whatever it is that you want to call it. We're going to do that, and of course it's not in Cheetah. We are doing it in WordPress, but not the legacy. Okay, not that one. We want to go to WordPress, the new one, not integration, just this one. Okay, make sure you click on that one. All right, so we're gonna go over here, and then let's log into our site. Clicking on it. And let's log in. All right. Now we want to go to our pages, and we have here our capture page and confirmation page. We haven't created a thank you page. We'll do that later. If we don't do it today, I'll just create it on the side, because it's just creating a thank you page that's going to have a video or something like that. Okay. All right, so let's open up our Cheetah right here. And actually, let me open this, because I need also the confirmation page, and you guys will see why. I don't need this. What I need is actually to get the link. So I'm going to click on view. And it's page ID number 15. I gotta figure out how I can change the actual name. That I haven't looked into, because I need also. I spent too much time trying to figure something out, and see why. Something so simple. I don't need, and that was what I need is actually. I was like, okay, I want this. Too much time trying to figure something out, and click on it. Why? Something so simple. I don't need, and that was what I need is actually. I was like, okay, the name and email. I already created a list on MailingBoss. I'm not going to show you how you do that, because, well, we already know how to do that. Okay. But I'll just have it open, because we do need to do some stuff in MailingBoss also. So let's open up MailingBoss all right here. So what's great about this is that it's like we're switching between programs and platforms, but not really, because it's one platform. Okay. So we'll just stay there. All right. So we are here, and we want a pop-up. Okay. And I couldn't figure it out. I thought it would be here. Okay, but it's not in here, and it's not in here on the side. Okay. It's like I've been telling you guys, this is not like Cheetah. It is Cheetah's cousin or little brother. I think cousin sounds better, because they're kind of like, but not really. Okay. So before I go show you that, I want to show you something cool that I realized. I was like, what is this right here? I don't know if you guys can see it. This right here, these dots. And I was clicking on it, and then I'm like, what happens if I click and drag? I was like, oh my God, look, it moves, but it just moves out of the lock space that you saw right here. So we can actually see our full site without any toolbars on the side. Then we click right here, and then it comes out, and it pops out. And then, as you can see, if you click on stuff, then you can move it around. Right, so you can have it here, and you can make it smaller, wider. It's pretty cool. See there, it's like Cheetah, like our regular Cheetah builder. But if you like it to be locked in place, you can click and drag it right here to the right corner, and it'll stay there. Or if you like to work with the left side corner, then you could. And if you want to hide it, then just hide it right here. Okay, on the little arrow, or bring it back. It's all up to you. But we're used to using Cheetah this way, so let's just do it like that. All right. So we got that. I wanted to show you guys that was pretty cool when I figured it. When I didn't figure that out, I bumped into this by mistake. But just I'm like, I'm trying to look for the pop-up. How can I add a pop-up? When I click here, and then I went through everything, and then I saw this. I'm like, what's this? Double click, triple click, right click, then click and drag, and that's how I learned that you can move it. So that was cool. All right, so for us to have this to be clicked on and open a pop-up, we need to actually create a pop-up. And to do that, we need to go back over here, not here, over here to your dashboard, and then go down on the left side where it says Cheetah Builder, and then you see it says right here, pop-ups, saved items, footer, headers, so you could edit that. I want to click on pop-up. And now, of course, I already created one since I was trying to figure that out. And all you have to do is just click new, give it a name, and type. It's going to be a pop-up, or it's going to be a header or a footer. Okay, but we're just going to leave it at that. I'm not going to add a new one. Whoops, what did I do? Pop-ups. There we go. All right, so let's click on Cheetah Builder. So then, of course, for me to add this right here, I had to add the mailing boss, okay? And to do that, it's just easy. Go to your, on the right side corner, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see right here that it says Builderall apps. So you have the booking, you have mailing boss, super checkout, video hosting. That's good. Let's see how that looks like. I haven't actually added that before. Select the video. Let's see this. Okay, not bad. Definitely want to fix the height. That is, wow. That's way too long. Autoplay, show controls. Cool, so you can actually edit everything here. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's delete it. We don't need that right here. And let's delete this extra box that I added. Now remember, guys, I say box, but it's not a box, okay? I'm just more comfortable just calling it box because, you know, physically, not physically, visually, it's a box. So I'm used to that. So I go to mailing boss. I have to click, drag it. Okay, let's put it down here. And then it tells you to select the list. So the list was loading right here. And let's say if you just created one and it doesn't load, then you just refresh. But for our case, it is there. So you pick your list. If I were to select this list, then as you can see, this one is a really long list because that's for something else, another opportunity. But we're not going to use that, right? I just created one right here. Simple, name and email. And then, you know, I added a little bit of style, some color. So to do that, you have your basic stuff, which is the title, right? Here it says submit. So I'm just going to leave that like that, simple. The form, as you can see, the layout, either one column or two. Let's see how it looks. There you go. But we're going to keep it simple, just one. Then the container right here. And if you don't know what's the container, the best way to know is to always play around with it. Right? Because for me, I'm new to this, to WordPress. So I don't know what all these stuff are. So I have to learn by trial and error. As you can see, that it's a container there. I'm just going to keep it white. And then you have here your border, and that's what I did. I added a border. I made it 3. I can make it thicker if I want. Maybe 5 or 6. 6 is good. and of course the color. So we're good with that. Then you have here the labels. That is, if I'm not mistaken, it should be this. Well, let's find out. Yep. Labels. And of course you can change your font, style, and spacing. Text shadow. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know there was a text shadow. Of course, we don't see anything yet. Let's make it red so it pops out. Because we have to actually put the padding, or maybe not. Text shadows. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. But we're not gonna do that. Let's just leave this as 0 and this as 0 because we don't want to mess with that. It looks nice and simple. So let's keep it nice and simple. And I'm going to save. Oh, and before I stop and save, I also added a shadow. Okay. Where is the shadow? Here we go. Radius and shadow. Added it right here just to make it stand out a little bit more. And actually, let's save and publish. All right, so we have here the opt-in form, okay? So let's go back over here and we can close this. Let's close that. Did I keep it open, the other one? No, I didn't. Well, we'll go back to it. Let's now connect the buttons to the pop-up. And it's real easy. I click on the button. And as you can see, you have here content style advanced. Then you have the button right here. It says action. Either it's a link or a pop-up. And let's delete this just so that we don't have no confusion. We want a pop-up. And now, as you can see, opt-in form is right there. Let's make sure that we do the same thing for our mobile version that we did. Let's delete the link so there's no issues or no conflicts. And click on opt-in form. All right, I'm happy with that. And then press done. And publish, of course. Okay. So let's see if I click over here. Ooh. So you're probably wondering, wait, why is it green here and then white here? This part I know why I did that. Well, I don't know why I did that. I was just messing with the colors. But I know where to edit this. This, I'm probably going to have to figure out how to fix this. But that part, this one right here, is actually in the global settings, if I'm not mistaken. Right here, global settings, layout, pop-ups. There you go. So there's the overlay color. Let's just keep it like grayish and white right there. Okay, so we got that. And let's, of course, save. Now the other one, I'm pretty sure I have to edit on the actual pop-up. So let's go back to dashboard. Pages, not pages, right here, pop-ups. And do cheetah builder. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's this right here, right? Or I like to call it the same thing that we have in the regular cheetah builder, which is our panel. So here, there's a background color. Let's see. Okay, so maybe not. So let's click here. Let's click edit. Let's see if we can fix that. Background. The color. Let's do maybe none. Or actually, let's do color. And let's do a transparent just to figure it out and see if it works. So we have, or maybe it's this. No, okay, I'm pretty sure this is how it is. So why did this go red? That's the button, form style, container. Okay, let's make it white. For some reason, still showing. Okay, there we go. I guess it was transparent a little bit. All right, so let's see if we figured that out. Let's go to pages. And let's actually just view this on incognito. All right, I'm ready. Okay, see, there you go. I figured it out. So that was that big white space. So that means we have to fix this. And that is not make this red, of course. So let's go to the settings right here. And instead of background color, either, let's see what happens if we actually select none. Even though before it was still giving us a color, but maybe now that we actually physically selected none, it might not give us that issue. So let's see. So I'm going to come back over here, refresh. And whoa, what happened? Okay, maybe it has some issue loading. Let's try it again. I am ready. Wow. ¿Qué pasó? It looks nothing like how I have it here. Okay. Let's see, preview. Okay, when I click previews, no problem. Let's try doing this capture page thing again. View. Huh. That's strange. Back to editor. So if we put it back to color and publish, let's see if it goes back. Something happened. What happened? I have no idea. Let's view incognito. Yep, something's definitely wrong. I don't know what or why or how to fix it. Let's see. All right, let's go back over here. Let's see if maybe actually clicking it and disconnecting it. Let's refresh. Select it again, save. Let's see if it does the same thing on the actual preview. Okay, so on the preview is good. So let's save it and publish and see if just doing that actually fixed it. All right, so how can I see it again? Let's go back to the dashboard and open it on incognito pages. All right, so let's right click, open incognito. And I'm ready to learn. Okay, and there you go. But we want to actually not have this red stuff. So let's see if we can fix that. Instead of having it none, we're going to do color and we're going to make it white, right? But not just any white, we're going to do transparent white. or literally any color that you want. It doesn't have to be black or white. Just as long as it's transparent, it might give us that effect that we want, where it's just this. Okay. Let's go back. Pages, open incognito. Okay, I don't know why is it doing that. Every time we edit it like that. Oh, wait. I think I know why, maybe. Since we did that update, maybe we have to refresh it over here. So let's refresh. Let's also refresh it on this one right here. So select it, refresh it, reselect, save. We're done. Publish. All right, let's see. Well, okay, I'm still getting the white background though. Okay. Maybe I just can't get rid of that. I think. I don't know. I mean, I just don't see why I can't. If I can give it a color. All right, so let's try this one more time and see how we can maybe fix this. So let's go back to our pop-up right here. Let's edit it. Okay, so we want to edit this. And our background is color and it's transparent. Because before it was in none and it's still, well, actually no, before, okay, let's try this. Let's try none. And then let's do that thing where we have to, I guess, relink it by refreshing. So let's go back over here. Refresh, save, preview. And even in the preview still, okay. I'm gonna try one more thing and then we're gonna have to not keep wasting time on this. Sorry guys. So let's expand this just to mess with it. And then here we have button, manage list, form style. Background, it's for this. Okay, so we're leaving that like that. And the text is going to be blank. Okay. And the container is that, which is, we're leaving it white. Let's make it a little dark, grayish like that. And then this, we have to change it to try and advance. Nope, nothing here. Spacing, animation, visibility, that's for the mobile stuff. Embed code, slideshow, parallax. And then let's do this light white. So semi-transparent. And let's save. And then we're done and we're gonna publish. Then we're coming back over here, selecting it. And we want to refresh it. Same thing with this one. Refresh, select it. We're done. All right, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Once it publishes. All right, ready to learn, and nope. Still didn't work. Okay. Like I said, I'll figure something out later, because maybe it's not possible. You can't. You need to have, I guess, background maybe. We'll figure that out later. Now, the next thing that we need to do is when I put in my name and email, it needs to go to the next page. Now, normally in Cheetah, right, we're able to actually edit on the browser. Well, not on the browser, in the Cheetah Builder, exactly where it goes. But as you can see, we don't have those options here. It's just form styles and style button. Nothing about, I guess, linking of where it goes. Okay, same tab, new tab. We're doing new tab. Actually, well, let's do same tab. Okay, so it's going to go to the same tab. But what we need is actually not here and is not anywhere here. But the only thing that we need from here is the link to the actual second page, which is going to be the confirmation page. So let's click over here on the pages. And right here, confirmation page, I'm going to go click on view. And I'm going to, whoops. I'm going to copy this or cut, whichever one. Does the same thing. I need that information. And I have this already open, right? I'm in Mailing Boss. And what I want to go to pages right here. All right, so then right here on emails, you have the subscription email, right? When they subscribe and when they unsubscribe. Then this is the pending subscriber. This is the page that they will land in after they click on that link from the email that they get. So we want to click on here, pending subscriber. And normally they will see this, but we're not going to do that. What we want to do is actually click on advance, scroll down again, and then we want to right click and paste that in here. Okay, so this is where they're going to go. So let's save it next. So for now, they're going to go there when they click on the pending subscriber. Okay. And then we need the other page, which is once they click that confirm subscriber. So I made a mistake before. I said when they get this email, they're going to land over here, but no. This is when they click on that button to subscribe, they put in their name and email, it sends them to the pending subscriber page. Okay. And then after, they're going to get an email, right? And this is where you edit your email. So, and then they click on this email and the link that says click here to confirm, then they get sent over here to subscription confirmed. Whoops. Right there. Confirmed. And over here, that's when we're going to also then click on advance again and then put the other page, which we haven't created yet. But I'm just letting you know for that when we do, that's what we're going to do next time. All right. But let's test it out and see how everything works now that all that is done. So let's go back over here. Dashboard. Let's go to the pages. Okay, and now let's view this incognito. All right, then I am ready. My name, Gene, and email. Then let's submit. Let's see, moment of truth, see if that worked. Nope. What? Oh, I know why it didn't work. This is going, I forgot to select the list when I was doing it before. Because when I was testing it, I had the other list, which is the colors list. So that's my bad. Let's go back over here. Let's go to pop-ups. And let's edit. All right, so let's edit this right here. And let's make sure we select the list. As you can see, it says colors list. We don't want that. We want this WordPress funnel list. Now we're done. And publish. So now we can do this again. View, incognito. And let's just refresh just in case. And then I'm going to click I am ready. And it's giving me this issue because I didn't relink it. All right, so as you guys can see, there's a little issue going on when you connected. Well, not when you connect it, when you make changes, you have to relink it for some reason. So refresh it, either select it or just refresh it. That I'm not sure. I'm just, taking precautions and refreshing and selecting it at the same time. Okay. Did I press save when I did this one? I don't think so. So let's just do it again. Save. We're done. Publish. All right. Let's now try this again. We're going to view this one incognito. And then we're going to click I am ready. All right, let's try it. And let's submit. There you go. As you can see, it took me to this page. And now I just gotta go check my email. And when I click on my email, I gotta, add that other page, which I haven't. But that will be for tomorrow. All right, guys. I hope you guys learned a little something because I know I'm learning. Like we said, we're all learning here, the WordPress Cheetah together as a team. And I will teach you anything that I learn along the way. And whether it's new to you or not, at least we all are sharing the information. All right, guys, so that is it for tonight. Hope you guys have an awesome night. And once again, guys, don't forget, let's go build it with Builderall. Take care, guys. Peace.